Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today we have a really exciting video and it's all about visual upgrades. Sit back, relax and enjoy, and welcome to the channel. So the install is all done. I just want to first apologise if the wind is an issue, but I will try and persevere. So at the start of this BMW, at the front, we have one of my favourite upgrades to do on any car, and that is adding in a front splitter. So this is the Maxton Design front splitter, giving a really nice, aggressive, but still quite a subtle look on the front end. Now, this transforms pretty much any vehicle, but it does wonders on this BMW 5 Series. It's a really nice upgrade, gives you that lower stance, that more aggressive look, while still keeping things clean, understated and classy. One of my favourite versions of any car is the Alpina versions, and that really brings me into memory with this front splitter. It's a really nice design, and the little Maxton badge on the front really sets it off. Again, not being in your face, but just that classy upgrade that you'd be after. Now, moving towards the side of the vehicle, what we have again is the Maxton Design side skirts. So these on both sides are a really nice upgrade to do, and they tie in really nicely with the front splitter as well, keeping that edge going along the whole vehicle. It's a very, very nice upgrade to do. Again, giving it that more aggressive stance from the side. Those front 3/4 shots look absolutely stunning now in this car. Sits a little bit lower to the ground, but as well, still won't keep it all scraping on the floor, but keeps that nice image that you're after. Now, with the color that this car is, of course, the black does contrast quite well, but on a different colored vehicle, such as a black vehicle or a darker color, it really hides in nicely. But I love how it's come out on this silver car, and we are doing many more upgrades to this, such as the chroming and other little bits that will be done in the future. Now, to tie the front splitter and the side skirts all together, we have kind of a four-pronged attack to the rear. Starting off with the top, we have the spoiler cap that we've added on. Again, with the whole kit here, it is all Maxton Design product, a product that we love using here because the fitment is absolutely correct and it's always perfect, which is why for the rear spoiler, that's so important. Oftentimes see spoilers that don't fit correctly, that aren't matched properly, and they don't get that at all with Maxton stuff. That is why we use it. That is why we stick by the best products on the market. And in this case, that is exactly what we've got here. So the spoiler gives a very subtle little flick. It's not a big aggressive wing, but it does give that more sporty look that our customer and client was after, and it has done exactly that. Now, again, that ties in really nicely with the rear of the vehicle, where we have a 3-piece rear diffuser, giving you, again, that more aggressive look, but not making it look over the top. There's a really nice upgrade to do on the vehicle. You have the center section and then the 2 side pieces as well, creating that overall look that gives it that OEM feel, because it doesn't cover up anything that's important. For example, you still have the space for the exhaust to come out. It still looks absolutely stunning. Now, the color of this kit, again, is that kind of gloss black look that the client was after. And what they've gone for, I think, has looked absolutely amazing and is definitely the right decision on the vehicle. It's a nice upgrade to do, and I think it looks impeccable. Now, Maxton do so many kits for different vehicles, but that is a BMW 5 Series like the one you're seeing here, or another vehicle, or the M Sport version. There's so many different kits and so many different upgrades that you can do to your car to make it look better. Obviously, with this one, we've gone for the body kit first, but that doesn't mean later down the line you can't do things like dechroming, window tints, polishing, making the car yours and kind of unique in a way that you would like it, and making the car look exactly how you would want it. So the Maxton kit is all fitted this BMW 5 Series. I can't wait to show it to the client. They're going to be over the moon with the results, and this is again why we do the things we do here. We first had the client in for a consultation where we can sit down with them, show them how the options will look, show them some examples of previous work we've done, so they can get the best idea of what it's going to look like on their own car before actually purchasing or before actually making that final decision. And that is why I'm for 100% this client's gonna be over the moon with the results on this one. So thank you very much for watching today's lovely video on the visual upgrades we've done on this 5 Series. Now, if you have a vehicle like this or any car that you're looking to enhance the visual aspect of the vehicle, do get in contact with us and we can get the quotes and kind of options available to you and get it all sorted and upgraded quickly. But thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy.